Let's do my weekly face detox routine. You know, a little intentional mom care. Because our alone time is precious, honey. And yes, I know I look like Leonardo's mom. But I also know that my skin is tight and I don't need to wear makeup. So let's get into it. This is my weekly skincare routine that's non-negotiable. You're going to take this Indian healing clay, mix it with a little apple cider vinegar, and cover your face, baby. And I do mean cover. And before you ask, I have sensitive skin and I have not had any breakouts. But also, we're not going to leave the healing clay on our face for so long. I have a 20-minute max. So this is perfect for me to do right before bedtime. And as you can see, I put it all over my face. Eyes, lips, nose included. But you apply it to your comfort level. And the more that you do it, the more that you're going to like the result. Now, I don't recommend you doing this every day. Once a week is my regimen. And not only does it exfoliate my skin, it also detoxes it by pulling out all the impurities. Going a little deeper, more than my regular daily face wash does. You can apply as little or as much as you like. For me, I like a good coverage all over my face. And in some parts, I go over twice. There's nothing perfect about this process. Just enjoy a little self-care time. Then once we have it applied, we let that thing dry for about 10 to 15 minutes, baby. You see all that cracking that it's doing? That's perfect. And your face is going to feel tight, honey. And I do mean tight. While I typically use my disposable face towels, we're going to go in with the microfiber towel because we got to scrub this thing off in the shower. And as you can see in that one area where I did a double coating, it's not all the way dry, but the rest of my face is pretty tight. So we're going to go ahead and remove it. Fresh out the shower, here we go. Now, do you notice the redness on my face? That's what the healing clay does. It penetrates your skin, pulling out all of your toxins and impurities. So you're going to come out a little red, but then you're just going to go in with your toner and then the rest of your nightly routine. Since we did a detox of our skin tonight, we're going to go in with the Medicube Pink Salmon Toner to just even out our skin and cool it off a little bit. Right after applying my toner, I like to put a cooling collagen mask. Tonight, the mask of choice is Royal Jelly. I'm using the Bellamy one, but you can use any collagen mask that you prefer. This is going to cool our skin and lock in moisture for us overnight. Now, I go to sleep with mine on. You don't have to. It says to leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes, but what's a little extra collagen boost for a lady that's over 35? I lightly seal the mask by pressing my fingers around the edges of my eyes, nose, and chin, just ensuring that it fits me perfectly. The closer that you get the mask to your skin, it's going to be the best portions for you to receive as much hydration from this mask as possible. And there you have it, a basic, simple weekly detox routine that gives you a little self-care time and keep you looking your finest. Let me know in the comments if you're going to try it out. But for now, it's my bedtime. Okay, love you. Bye.